Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Bybit app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bybit app and already verified yourself as well. So now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bybit apps on in the screen. So if you want to buy Bitcoin on Bybit app, then you can see there is assets option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard, which is distinguishable by its wallet icon. So let's tap on that wallet icon, and now you need to tap on the deposit, which is at the left side of the withdrawal option. So let's tap on the deposit. So now you can see there is three options in here: buy with NPR, P2P trading, and last one is deposit crypto. So the most convenient and most simple way is by going to be through tapping on the P2P trading. So let's select the P2P trading, and now you can see there is three sellers available in here. So you can choose the crypto by tapping on the, you can see there is USDT selected in here. So you can see there is USDC as well, BTC and ETH. So let's tap on the BTC, but you can see there is no any option to, no any seller available in here. So let's tap on the USDT because the process gonna be same. So now you need to select the seller by tapping on the any of them. So once you do that, you simply need to verify yourself, and once you complete your transaction, you will be able to buy Bitcoin on Bybit app successfully. So basically this is how you can buy Bitcoin on Bybit app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.